Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Tamaria Loc'd and I go by Tamaria Loc'd on all of my social media platforms. So feel free to go ahead and follow me on whichever platform you be on the most. Today we are getting into a truth or dare tarot card energy reading message of guidance and inspiration. So if you choose this stone, then that means you are ready to face the truth. And if you pick this stone, that means you're willing and ready and daring to go ahead and put some action into fixing whatever type of problem or situation you could be facing. So this is the dare stone. This is the truth stone. We only have one more of these to do, and that is for Pisces. So we don't have to roll the zodiac dice, but we do need to go ahead and roll the number dice. The number dice is going to allow us to see how many times we need to go ahead and shuffle the energy of the cards to see which truth or dare the Pisces needs to be aware of. So yeah, let's just go ahead and roll the dice. Right, we got a 4. Okay, so divine, please help us to channel a message of truth or a message of dare for the Pisces to go ahead and work on. Please allow the message to come through me with pure intentions and love. Let's go. All right, so this is your truth. This is your dare. Let's see what we have, Pisces. All right, for your truth, Pisces, we have the 9 of Wands. All right. Is it true, Pisces, that you find yourself in a pattern of having some sort of conflict or having to face a lot of oppositions from others in life? Is it true, Pisces, that you have developed strength and alertness by constantly having these battles to fight? Is it true, Pisces, that you have a lot of problems that need to be fixed that loom behind you? Is it true, Pisces, that you have a wound on your psychic abilities or your spiritual abilities, and it's not allowing you to live in a world mentally or physically that doesn't concern some type of conflict or battle? Is it true, Pisces, that you don't feel like a whole person? Is it true, Pisces, that you are just only looking for the next fight, only looking for your enemies? Is it true, Pisces, that you're tired of the fight and that you're ready to challenge yourself to move to a new level of mentality? All right, Pisces, is it true that you've been persistent with this fight? Is it true that you really want some type of assistance or resourcefulness, or you're on the verge of realizing that this is not a healthy mentality or state of being? Is it true, Pisces, that you do realize that help is available? Is it true, Pisces, that you feel like you need to protect your plans, your progress, or your creations? All right, Pisces, so that's your truth. Deal with that. Take that as you may. We're going to go ahead and move on to your dare. Okay, so your dare is the Page of Cups. All right, Pisces, so if I dare you to just be a little bit more youthful in your spirit, to be a little bit more childlike, to use your imagination, to contemplate, to fantasize. I dare you, Pisces, to not allow the things outside of you to disturb your inner peace, your fantasies, and your childlike imagination. I dare you, Pisces, to work on becoming in tune with your intuition, your spirituality, through some type of studying or some type of meditation in a peaceful way. Pisces, I dare you to be creative. I dare you to find friendship or romance that could help you in these manners. I dare you to be open to good news about relationships. Pisces, I dare you to be open to a trustworthy and understanding friend. Pisces, I dare you to seek guidance on emotional issues. Pisces, I dare you to do something creative that is centered around art, some type of hobby. All right, and Pisces, I dare you to be aware of the type of dreams that you're having. All right, Pisces, so that is your message for today, your truth and your dare. I hope it resonated with you in some shape or way or form. If it did, go ahead and like this video as well. Make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any of your future readings. Also, Pisces, go ahead and hit the notification bell so that you do get the alert when I do post content specifically for you. That is it, Pisces. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.